Hey foodies, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords, and today we're diving into the kitchen to explore the world of quick and delicious one-pan meals. Whether you're a busy professional or just want a hassle-free dinner, this guide has you covered. So let's get cooking. Step 1. Choose the right pan. First things first, you need the right pan. A versatile, oven-safe skillet is perfect for these one-pan wonders. It allows for easy stovetop cooking and seamless transition into the oven for that perfect finish. Step 2. Prep your ingredients. Now, let's prep our ingredients. Choose a protein like chicken, beef, or tofu and chop up your favorite veggies. The key here is to keep things bite-sized for even cooking. Don't forget to preheat your oven to save time. Step 3. Flavorful seasoning. Seasoning is where the magic happens. Mix up a blend of your favorite herbs and spices. I love using a combination of garlic powder, paprika, and a pinch of cayenne for that extra kick. Coat your protein and veggies generously for maximum flavor. Step 4. Searing on the stovetop. Time to fire up the stovetop. Sear your protein in the pan until it gets that beautiful golden brown color. This not only locks in the flavors but also adds a delightful texture. Don't forget to toss in those veggies for a burst of color and nutrients. Step 5. Into the oven. Once everything is beautifully seared, it's oven time. Transfer the whole pan into the preheated oven and let it bake until your protein is cooked through and your veggies are tender. This method ensures everything cooks evenly without you having to babysit the stove. Step 6. Finishing touches. While our one-pan wonder is baking, let's talk about finishing touches. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, or a drizzle of balsamic glaze can elevate the flavors and make your dish Instagram-worthy. Step 7. Serve and enjoy. And there you have it. Quick, delicious, and minimal cleanup. Serve your one-pan masterpiece directly from the skillet and enjoy a meal that's as impressive as it is convenient. If you love this how-to, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more mouth-watering content and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Happy cooking!